Happy birthday, Hari.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஹரி. கொள்ளை அழகோடும் வெள்ளை உள்ளத்தோடும் மனம் நிறைந்த மகிழ்ச்சியோடும் இன்று போல 100 ஆண்டு வாழ பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
ஹரி, ஹாப்பி 50th பர்த்டே. அன்னைக்கு கல்பனாவை பெண் பார்க்க வந்த அன்னைக்கு எப்படி இருந்தேனோ அதே கேரக்டர் அதே நேச்சரில் இப்போவும் உங்களை நான் பார்க்குறேன். உங்ககிட்ட நான் கோபத்தையே பார்த்ததில்லை, டென்ஷனாக பார்த்ததில்லை. எவ்வளவு வந்தால் கூட நீங்கள் ஒரு பேஷன்ஸை கடைப்பிடிக்கிறேங்கிறது என்னுடைய பொறுப்பு. என்னுடைய ஒரு ஒரு வாட் ஐ கேன் சே, என்னுடைய வியூ. நான் அங்கேயும் பார்த்துருக்கேன், சிங்கப்பூர்லேயும் பார்த்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் எப்போவுமே ஈஸி கோயிங், நல்ல எல்லா திங்ஸையும் ப்ராப்பராக செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு ஆள். இதே பேஷன்ஸை நீங்கள் கடைசி வரைக்கும் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும்னு நான் கடவுளை பிரார்த்திக்கிறேன்.
Hi Hari, wishing you a very 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 happy 50th birthday. I wanted to celebrate your milestone birthday with you, but let's rock it in February when I'm back. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Appa.
Happy birthday Hari.
Hey, happy birthday bro. Have a good one.
Happy birthday Hari Paripa. Have a great day. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday Hari Chakrappa.
Welcome to 50s Club. Happy birthday, Hari. வாழ்க வளத்துடன் நலத்துடன் என்றென்றும்.
Happy birthday, young 50. All the best wishes.
You are always smart, even though you get older. Look wise, you are always younger only.
And we love you very much.
Happy birthday.
ஹாய் சித்தப்பா, இனிய பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஹாப்பி 50th பர்த்டே. என்ஜாய் த டே, ஹேவ் ஃபன்.
Many more happy returns of the day, Hari. You have reached a milestone of 50 years. God bless you. Have a nice day and a wonderful year.
ஹாய் ஹரி, ஹாப்பி 50th பர்த்டே. உங்களை பார்த்தா யாருமே 50 இயர்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டா. யூஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் யங், ஆக்டிவ், எனர்ஜெட்டிக் அண்ட் ஐ ஆல்வேஸ் see you as மிஸ்டர் கூல். ஸோ ஹாவ் அ ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் இயர் அண்ட் இயர்ஸ் டு கம். இதே மாதிரி எப்போதுமே கூலாக சிரிச்சுட்டு எல்லாரையும் சிரிக்க வச்சுட்டு இருங்கோ. ஹாவ் அ ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் 50th பர்த்டே.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஷாருக் கான். 50 இயர்ஸ் ஆகுதுனால செம்ம ஸ்டைலாக இருக்கீங்க.
Happy 50th birthday Sharan. You're the coolest. You're the coolest.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஹரி. இன்னைக்கு நீங்க வந்து சரக்கு அப்புறம் முறுக்கு இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் வச்சு என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க.
Happy birthday Atimver. Have a nice day.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே.
Wish you a very very happy birthday Hari. Happy birthday Hari.
Good health and happiness always.
Hey Hari, happy 50th bro. Enjoy life. We'll see you soon.
Happy birthday Hari. You're the Hari of the group. Thank you for making us laugh always. Have a great life ahead.
Happy birthday Hari uncle. Happy birthday Hari uncle.
Hey Hari, happy birthday to you. I know it's your 50th birthday. It's a great milestone. And just going back memories since 1989, I think we have known each other. I would like to wish you a great 50th birthday and a very fulfilling and healthy long life ahead. Thanks Hari. All the best wishes for you and your family. Bye.
3.
Happy birthday Hari. Many many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the best health and wealth.
Hey, hi Hari. You are my most fantastic friend, 21 years. Yeah, almost 20, 21 years. Every year feels like a 10 years. So 21 into 10, 210 years I know you. Yeah, Saleh, LKB. You know what LKB means, right? But you are a fantastic one. You do all dramas, you all do everything, whatever in your life. You trouble people so much. But yeah, still we love you. Happy birthday.
Love you, Hari. Happy birthday once again.
Hey Hari, happy birthday, 50th, half century. Wish you all the best and good luck. Missing you terribly, especially the evening nights planning for holidays. You should come here next, and the next planning should be for visiting our place. Happy birthday and enjoy your time.
Happy half century, Hari.
Have a good time, boss. Bye.
Happy birthday, Hari.
Hi, Hari. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. It's a milestone birthday and we wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Hari. Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Hari.
Hi, Hari.
Wish you a very, 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 very happy 50th birthday. I hope you're having lots of fun. We're going to miss your amazing milestone party.
Yeah, a very happy birthday, Hari. Have a great day and party hard, and wish to catch up with you very soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Hari, wishing you a happy birthday and many more happy returns of the day. Hope you have the best one and keep going. All the best.
Hi, happy birthday to my dearest, funniest, warmest, sexiest, and the most beautiful person in this world. And congratulations on getting your promotion and welcome to the Wise Club 50. And I can go on and on describing about you and the lovely moments we spent with you and with our gangsters. Okay, I wish you all the best and you rock always. Cheers. Bye bye.
Hello, birthday boy Hari. Happy birthday to you. Special congratulations on your very special birthday as you are celebrating Golden Jubilee this year. Nimade Janmadinada Subhashayagalu. So please accept my heartfelt good wishes and lots of love on this special occasion. May you be ever healthy, wealthy, cheerful as you are always, and successful at every moment. May God bless you and your family. Have a blast and good fun. Enjoy your day, my dear friend. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Hari. உன்னோட பழகின மூமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே என்னைக்குமே ஜாலியான மூமெண்ட்ஸ் தான். கீப் ராக்கிங். வயசானாலும் அழகு ஸ்டைலும் ஒன்று விட்டு போகவே இல்லை.
ஹலோ ஹரி, ஹாப்பி பர்த்டேம்மா. என்ன உனக்கு அதுக்குள்ள 50 வயசு ஆச்சுங்கிறாங்க. எனக்கு என்னமோ உன்னை 2007 பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்குது. லுக்ஸ் லைக் யூ காட் ஸ்டக் அட் 35. யூ ஆக்ட் லைக் 35. யூ லுக் லைக் 35. Nevertheless, happy birthday. Wish you many more returns of the day. And let us find a good opportunity to enjoy this moment in some other time. Yeah, once again happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hi Hari, 2022 you will be 50 years old, 50 years young. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and I am wishing you another 50 years. Beyond 50 years, I think, will be a challenge. We tolerated you for the past 15 years with all your cribbing and actings and the various acts, and it will be a challenge to do that beyond the next 50 years. On a serious note, it's great to have you as a friend. The past 15 years would not have been the same without you. There are a lot of good memories. Tetra Tigers is also one of them, and we hope to build on these past 15 years for the next 50 years. Again, wishing you a very happy birthday. You have a great day with your family and friends. Looking forward to have a good time once again in 2022 with you. Bye.
Hello Hari,
half century അടിച്ചിട്ടിങ്ങ many more happy returns of the day.
Hello Uncle Hari, wish you very happy birthday, hitting half a century. Welcome to the Uncle's Club. Soon we will join you. Have a wonderful time.
Hi Hari, happy 21st birthday for 29th time. You are entering a golden age. Age is not a factor for you because you are a humor person and you always smile and make others smile. And I wish you a happy birthday and enjoy your birthday with your family and friends. Age is just a number, but you always look 21. That's the reason I'm saying happy 21st birthday for the 29th time. Once again, I wish you a happy birthday.
பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஹரி, வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க பல்லாண்டு.
Hi Hari, welcome to 50s Club. Many happy returns of the day. I want to say a few words about you. I don't know from where to start. I know you are very good, caring father, a wonderful husband, and a very good friend of ours. Thank you for being there in our lives. Most of all, you are the star of our gang. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾತು. ನೀನೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ, ನೀನೊಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ, ನೀನೊಬ್ಬ ಸುಂದರ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. 50ರ ಸಂಘಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.
Hi Hari.
Hi Kutti Hari, sorry 50 Hari.
Hi Hari, wish you a very happy golden birthday. When I first met you, you were not even 30. And now we also celebrated your 40th birthday, if you remember, and then...
Oh, how can we forget the 40th
And it
birthday?
ended up...
It was a head-breaking birthday.
We ended up in NUS. So this time, if it was not for this Omicron or anything, I think we would have met and had a bash. But anyway, you celebrate your birthday with Kalpana and Aditya and Aarti. And I wish you all the best. And so next time we catch up, we'll have a big bash.
Oh yes, absolutely. Hey Hari, Anna, enjoy your 50s because I am still in my 40s. So I'll catch up soon in a couple of months. But till then, wish you a very happy golden birthday. Enjoy with family, with Aditya, with Aarti, Kalpana, and have fun.
Yeah, and this last, so from myself and Prasad, welcome to the club. Bye.
Bye.
ಹರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. 40ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಏನು? I'm just going back in timeline. Normally all of us will go forward. I'm going back in timeline. ಇದು 21ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿ. 10 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂಚೆ 2011. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂಚೆ 2001. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 10 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂಚೆ 1989 ಮರ 89 ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಹರಿ ಅಬ್ಬಾ ಹರಿ ಏನು ಡೇರಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ನಪ್ಪ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಬಸ್ಸು ಆ ಜಯನಗರ್ ಬಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಬಂದು ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಗಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಗಾಯ್. For the first time I realized that here is someone more or less the same frequency of mine, energetic, daring, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಾಬಿಡೋಣ ನೋಡಾಬಿಡೋಣ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು ನನ್ನ ಹರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹರಿ. ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹರಿ? ಬಿಂದು, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಗೋವನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಗಿವ್ ವೇ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ ಮರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಳಿ ಕೂದಲು ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು, ನಿಂಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ತಲೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದಲೇ ಮಗ, ತಲೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದೆ. ಅದು ನೆನಪುಂಟ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ವರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಯುವಾಗೆ 1990 ಕಾಕ ಅಂಗಡಿಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಮ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಕದ್ದು, ಯಾರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋರ್ಕು ನೆನಪುಂಟ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಕುಮಾರನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ, ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಂಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ತು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಪ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೈಟು ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಹೊಡೆದು ಆ ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಬೋಂಡ ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ತಿಂದು ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು. ಅಂತೂ ಇಂತೂ ವಿ ಮಾಲ್ ಮೂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸಡನ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮರಾಯ ನಿಂದು 2001 ಸಿಂಗಪೂರ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೆ ನೋ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. 93 ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಯಾರೋ ನಾನು ಯಾರೋ. ಮತ್ತ 2001 ಜುರಾಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೇ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮರಾಯ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೀನು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ಬರೀ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಬಾಲ್, ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೀನು ನಾನು. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಐ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಯು ಸೆಡ್, ಶ್ರೀನಿ, ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ CMG, ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮರ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ SAP ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀನು ಸೂತನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ HP ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫನ್. ಯು ಗೇವ್ ಮೀ ಲೈಫ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಲೈಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 2001 13ವರೆಗೂ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಎಂಜಾಯ್, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ಕ ದುನಿಯಾ. ಸಿಂಗಾಪುರ್ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಪ್ಪು ಮರ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಪ್ಪು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿಜದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ. ತಲೆ ತಿರುಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು ಮರ, ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು PR ಗೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಬಟ್ ಎನಿವೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಆ ದುನಿಯಾ ಸುಕ್ಕಮ್. ಮತ್ತು ವಿ ವೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಬೋತ್ ಲಿವ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಿ ಮೆಟ್. Then, of course, I started coming down to Singapore, and I was all destined to go to the US. Come what may, ನಾನು US ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಮಲೇಷ್ಯಾಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಗಪೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಆದ್ವಿ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್, ದರ್ಬಾರ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಟ್, ಐ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ನೇಮ್. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಯರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫನ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫನ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ನೌ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಓನ್. And even now you're helping me. You did a lot of demos with your team in Tetra Pak. Of course, you guys are still evaluating. All that is fine. But I'll tell you, man, at 50, you know, it's very hard to get some lovely friends like you who are very selfless, cheerful, bindas, jane bida yaro types. I wish and pray, I mean it, I wish and pray that you live a happy and a healthy 50 years more. And you alone, Hari, should decide when you want to say goodbye. That's how you should live your life. I'm always there, a great friend of mine you are. I love you to the core. Amazing character you are. Blessed family you have. Enjoy whatever you do in life. Okay? I'll see you very soon. Once this border issues all come down, definitely will come down. Again, we'll sit down in that restaurant of yours, Darbar or whatever it is. Let's have a Darbar. Let's have our Darbar. Love you, my dear. You have a great 50th birthday coming up in the next few days for you, Jan 15th. Enjoy. Live life to the fullest. But take care. Health is important. Huh? I hope you're doing your exercises, your pranayama, your yoga, whatever. But physical irbeku. Enjoy your cricket. And enjoy your beers. Love you, my dear. Love you from the bottom of my heart.
Hey Hari, how are you? This is your friend Vijay from New Jersey. कैसा है तू? So, My first memory of Hari was actually, I think, in the year 1999. हम लोग APDO में मिले थे, HP में, and it was a fun experience. Actually, it was one afternoon. I think it was a Friday. You were looking for people to go out drinking, and our life before that was kind of miserable, right? I was hanging out with Deepak Modi, Chintamani Chitnis, Sudhakar. नाम लेने का जरूरत नहीं है. And you came like an angel, and तुम्हारे पीता है क्या तुम लोग? पीता है तो मजा आएगा, चलो. So me, Atul Chandane, I think we should have called Atul, but sorry about that. We will get him. But we went and I remember the first time, evening we went, that Friday we went to Boat Quay. I had never seen Singapore like that in my life. I was so depressed. My life from that point onwards was, I discovered a lot of things, right? Least of which was beer, and made great friendships with you guys. We went to Boat Quay, Clark Quay. बहुत मजा आया, and who can say, then we met, Kirti, Parag, Shetty, bada gang ho gaya, and then, it was a very, very enjoyable experience in Singapore. So that's my memory of Hari. So Kirti, you want to go next?
Sure. Hari, the first time I met you, I was your roommate in Singapore. First time abroad. You helped me settle in to Singapore. Away from India, away from family, so far away. You helped me settle in. First time I met you, I think you guys are already into the beer drinking routine. You took me out for beer to somebody's house, and I think I can say I shared my bed with you for almost a year, and it was you made me feel at home. We both shared the same bathroom and the bed. You made me feel at home, and the one positive I can say about you is extremely networked. I think your networking skills I've not seen that in the last 20-25 years with anybody else. So amazing networking skills. You stay in touch with people even after all these years, and you're down to earth, right? That's what is, pulls people to you like a magnet. Your humble nature. So keep that on, continue. Wish many more years of success for you. Parag?
Hey, Hari Baba. मेरे को भी याद नहीं रहे कभी मिले हम लोग, but there are a lot of I think one of the best memorable days in Singapore I think we spent together, and I think you were one of those who will keep us all the time driving, कि चलो यार अभी तुम लोग सारा मैं नहीं रहेगा तो तुम लोग बस लोग ऐसा बैठ के रहेगा, BBC देखेगा, क्या गाली देता था रे तू. It was so much fun, and I think a lot of things besides of course बियर, एंड मैं तो बियर ज्यादा पिया नहीं थे सर, मेरे में शायद पीता था कि याद करना पड़ेगा, बट लेकिन एनीवे Saturdays spending with you was great, introducing all the Tamil movies, Madhavan movies. My goodness, I think Rasamu, Sambaru, Pickle, and I think a lot of great tips you have given us. अरे लिफ्ट में अटका है रे, किधर अभी आया, अरे दिख रहा है जो हाथ ऊपर कर, पाँव ऊपर कर, I think you're taught so many tips, I think I've used those quite a few. To be honest, I think I use those quite, they have been handy. So really, I think it's been great, Hari, knowing you, and I think been really, I think, wish you all the best and happy birthday. Let's keep in touch, and remember, look after your health. You are A negative, I'm A negative, so look after your health now onwards. Okay? All the best, Hari. Over to you, Shetty.
Yes. Hi, Hari. I'm your next door condo neighbor. We should meet more often like we used to do earlier. Frankly, I also don't remember when we met before. Both of us drunk, I believe. I remember the best time we had in the Parkview. There are so many times Vijay had cooked dal for you. So our quota for the dal is over for next 100 years. No more dal. Anyway, many happy returns of the day, and we will meet more often. Have a great year ahead. Done.
Okay. And here you go.
ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Hari Baba. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God, this is the worst chorus.
All the best, Hari.
And
All the
one
best.
and actually, this is for Kalpana and whoever ladies who are going to watch this. You know, Hari is 50. I think we are, nearing, as we near 50, we have to meet again. Only the boys, actually. So pick
Yes,
a
I totally
spot,
agree.
wherever it is, once this pandemic is over, guys, wherever it is, halfway around the world, just let me know. Only for 2-3 days, but we have to do this, okay?
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
We should do that.
All the best, Hari.
Thank
All
you.
बार बार दिन ए आए, बार बार दिल ए गाए, बार बार दिन ए आए, बार बार दिल ए गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ए मेरी ए आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mr. Hari. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ए आए, बार बार दिल ए गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ए मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mr. Hari. Happy birthday to you.
Very, very happy birthday. Very, very happy birthday to the very, very happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, brother, and have a great rocking year ahead. Love you.
You're the most handsome man I've ever seen in my life. So, inta andagaadni nenu intavaraku చూడలేదు.
A very, very happy birthday.
Very happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day from me and my family. I hope all your dreams come true in life.
Happy birthday. A very, very happy birthday. I've done.
Very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.